There is no one who doesn't aspire to the universe. There is no child who doesn't fantasize about space travel. We designed the fantasy of the universe into the Solar System themed keycap set. In 1969, the first footprints of human on the moon, we put it on the ESC and Shift keys. Arrow keys are the beautiful moon. The spaceship will lift off from the plus and Enter keys. There are also 8 planets in the F area, always on standby for your collocation. The stunning orbits of the planets in our solar system, the soul of the set, will be transferred to the space bar. Installed our exclusive light gasket, which is made of the patented ultra-soft sound-absorbing liquid silicone instead of normal sound-absorbing pad. The top of the copper column of the bottom case acts as a gasket, and the conical soft cushion on the screw prevent the hard contact. To eliminate cavity sound, the back hollow slot guaranteed ultimate elasticity. You can also adjust the rebound force through the screws. Every switch has a 0.2 mm high precision gasket, which is extremely exclusive in the industry. Compared with the normal gaskets, the light gasket is more elastic, more stable, and better for sound absorbing. We offer 61, 68, 84, 96 key sets that equipped with Solar System keycaps, hot swappable socket, and multiple custom switches, which will release more than 10 typing experiences. As typing sound, let me test it for you. '61 and 68 keys sound bright, 84 keys sounds balanced, 96 keys sounds very compact. After all, everyone's first sense is different. At last, I hope that mortals like you and me, in addition to looking up at the stars, can also touch the keys to reach the ultimate meaning of the universe.